In this lesson, we're going to discuss the blockchain. Now, the blockchain is a shared immutable ledger for recording transactions, tracking assets, and building trust. Now, when we talk about the blockchain, you're probably thinking about cryptocurrencies because those are some of the most famous examples out there of using the blockchain. For example, Bitcoin has been all the rage for about the last decade, and this was really the first commercially available type of thing that was using this blockchain technology. But when we talk about the blockchain, we need to really understand the way it works. And it really works by essentially creating a long series of information with each block containing information inside of it. That block is inside of the ledger that we're going to be talking about. And inside of it, you're going to have the previous hash for the block before it. So if I'm looking at block 11 here, you can see the previous hash is actually the hash of block 10. And we also have a timestamp associated with it. This tells us when the last time this block was modified. Now, inside this blockchain, we also have root transactions. Under there, we have hashes for each of the different transactions that have occurred. And these things all roll up, and you'll see a transaction 0 and transaction 1, each with their own hash. Then we combine these to give us hash 1 together. And then we combine hash 1 and hash 2, 3, and we put those together to create the transmission root. Then all of this just feeds up into that one block, and there are millions and millions of blocks inside of this blockchain. Now, when we talk about the blockchain, the other thing we have to think about is what is known as a public ledger. Now, the public ledger is a record-keeping system that maintains participants' identities in a secure and anonymous format. This also keeps track of the respective cryptocurrency balances if we're going to be dealing with cryptocurrencies. And it has a record book for all of the genuine transactions that have been executed between different network participants. So, as we start dealing with the blockchain, everybody is part of this massive peer-to-peer network. It's going to be decentralized, and because of that, we use this series of hashes to make sure that everything is being recorded properly and that nobody can change it without proper permission, because that way, everything is authenticated and stored throughout this blockchain. Now, another application of blockchain technology is in the realm of digital contracts, which are also referred to as smart contracts. Now, smart contracts or digital contracts are self-executing contracts where the terms of the agreement or conditions are written directly into the line of code. These contracts will automatically execute actions when certain conditions are met without the need for intermediaries. For instance, a smart contract could automatically release funds to a seller once the buyer confirms the receipt of their goods. The decentralized and transparent nature of these blockchain transactions also ensures that once a smart contract is deployed, it cannot be altered, and this makes the agreement tamper-proof and fully trustworthy. Now, with the introduction of platforms like Ethereum, smart contracts have gained widespread popularity due to their potential to automate complex processes and operations from business transactions all the way out to governance systems. They not only offer us transparency, but they also reduce the risk of fraud and the costs associated with traditional contractual processes. In addition to all of that, every executed contract action is also recorded on the blockchain, so there's a clear and indisputable record of all of the transactions that reinforces the concept of trust inside of our digital dealings. Now, in addition to talking about cryptocurrencies with the blockchain, there's also commercial uses for the blockchain too. One of the biggest people out there who really likes to push the blockchain is IBM. IBM is really focused on getting the blockchain into use inside of the commercial environment. And one of the ways they've been doing this is by using what is called a permissioned blockchain. Now, a permissioned blockchain is going to be used for business transactions, and it promotes new levels of trust and transparency by using immutable public ledgers, meaning that we know everything about that particular piece of information that's being stored inside of this blockchain. Now, one of the places where we're going to try to use blockchains is in the supply chain. This way, we have a fully traceable and transparent supply chain. If you think about this from a food perspective, it would be really nice to know exactly when and where and how that food was grown, when and where and how it was picked, and when and where and how it was shipped, as well as when and where and how it was processed, and all the way through that supply chain until you finally pick up that item at the grocery store. This way, you know all the information about that particular food to make sure it's following the right procedures, and you have all the information you need to determine that it's safe. Also, because it's located inside the immutable public ledger, nobody can modify that data, and we all know exactly where everything has been located and what has been done to it. So remember, blockchain technology is not limited to just the financial sector or cryptocurrencies. Its applications and potential span a wide range of industries. It has a decentralized nature, and it's combined with the transparency and security that is provided by the immutable public ledger. And all of this together can revolutionize our traditional systems by offering enhanced traceability and accountability across the blockchain. From supply chain management to voting systems, from property transfers to intellectual property protection, the blockchain stands as a promising solution to an age-old challenge of having trustworthiness and openness and transparency in all of our business dealings. This makes it essential to recognize its broader implications and how it can reshape industries by providing this transparency, efficiency, and trust in all of our transactions and information exchanges. As the technology continues to evolve, the blockchain will definitely become a cornerstone of our digital evolution and will impact various sectors in unprecedented ways as we continue forward using the blockchain.